Tonight, we're at Anaheim Garden Walk. We come down here all the time, different events, so tonight we're down here for a haunt. Well, gotta eat dinner, so we decided to come over and try the Cheesecake Factory. I don't know if you've ever been here before. We know they have a very extensive menu from pizzas to pasta, Mexican, Asian, and everything in between. So let's go and see what we're gonna get. We know it looks delicious online, so come with us for those chills and good meals. Let's have a great meal here at Cheesecake Factory. And as it's called the Cheesecake Factory, they have tons of cheesecakes over here to choose from. So I believe this is the take-home menu. That chocolate tower truffle looks insane. So if you're a dessert lover, definitely come here to Cheesecake Factory, get you a cheesecake to go. Not only is this restaurant massive, it is beautiful in here. We are directly across the street from Disneyland, so we're gonna come over here and check it out. We are very excited. The Cheesecake Factory menu is so extensive. We highly recommend you guys check it out before you come. Telling you, you'll be here for like 20 minutes just trying to read through everything. But right here, they have a special menu. Maria wants to try the Baked Brie with Truffle-Honey Butter. So that sounds very interesting. We know we love that brie at the fair, so that's going to be on our brie cake. So it is warm bread with brie cheese, drizzled with truffle honey butter, and house-made orange marmalade. That sounds delicious, so that's going to be our appetizer here at Cheesecake Factory. And we even got two different kinds of bread. So you got some oat brown bread and white bread. So we're assuming that's probably like a sourdough underneath there. We're gonna try them out, let you know how they taste. All right, so we got the two different kinds of bread. So I'm gonna go for the white bread first. So after trying to cut it, it did not cut, I had to tear it. I'm gonna say it's more like a toasty baguette. So I put a little butter on there. I'm gonna try that out and I'll go for the brown bread next. So I literally Googled what is the tastiest dish at the Cheesecake Factory, and they recommended trying the Chicken Madeira. So that's what I'm going with. It says our most popular chicken dish. It's a sauteed chicken breast topped with fresh asparagus. I love asparagus. Melted mozzarella cheese, covered with fresh mushroom Madeira sauce, and served with mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm going for. Let's see what Maria chose. And Maria's going with the Ahi Poke Nachos. It's crispy wontons covered with Hawaiian-style ahi tuna poke, avocado, green onion, chilies, sesame seeds, and sriracha aioli. That sounds incredible as well. So Landon went with the Korean fried chicken. Crispy chicken tossed with our spicy Korean barbecue sauce with avocado, kimchi, mushroom, cilantro, sesame seeds, and served over steamed rice. That sounds incredible. We at least love the Korean fried chicken at Jin Barbecue, so we're really excited to see what he thinks of that. So the French baguette actually was sourdough, so it tasted good, but a little too crunchy, a little too dry for me. I like me a softer bread, so now I'm going in for that brown oat bread, butter on there, and now this is what I'm really looking forward to. Nice and soft, just like I like it.
Do you have any questions? Let me know.
So that brown bread is where it's at. It is so delicious. I had to Google actually what kind of bread it is. So it literally says this. It says the brown bread at Cheesecake Factory, a soft, slightly sweet wheat loaf or rolled top with rolled oats. It's a signature deep brown color and rich flavor. Comes from a combination of honey, molasses, a hint of cocoa powder, and espresso powder. I'd have never thought that in bread. So all that is in the dough. Absolutely delicious. And our waiter is awesome. He has brought us some more. So we're going to try that out as well as our appetizer. So here's our Baked Brie with truffle honey butter. That looks absolutely delicious. So we're gonna try that right now and I'll let you know how they taste. So Maria and Landon are raving about the Baked Brie and honey butter bread, so I'm gonna go in and try it. It smells delicious. It has like an orange marmalade on it. I cannot wait to try it. And again, now it's the white bread, but this is a softer bread. So hopefully it is much better and much more delicious. This Baked Brie is absolutely delicious. It has so much cheese in there. You can see it right in the middle now. I take a bite. It is so creamy. So I'll say the brie that Maria had at the fair today was more sure of a salty brie, but this is a creamy brie. You get that light flavor of orange. Absolutely delicious. 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend. Come here and try the Baked Brie appetizer. It is perfect amount. Very good to share. And now we're waiting for our entrees. So here's Landon's Korean fried chicken. That looks mind-blowing. Way, way more gourmet than we were expecting. And here are Maria's wonton nachos. She is very happy with that. And this is my Chicken Madeira. This all looks incredible. And every one of these dishes are under $30. That's crazy. They are large, look delicious, and we are ready to chow down now. So I'm gonna start out with a bite of my mashed potatoes and get a little bit of that wine sauce on it. This whole meal looks absolutely delicious. I love asparagus, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna try out mashed potatoes first, and then I'm gonna go in for a bite of that chicken covered in cheese. I can't even see the chicken, so much cheese on it. That's my kind of meal right there. Those potatoes are delicious. I love it. They're not like completely pureed. There's a little chunky potato in there. perfect flavor, and that sauce made them even more amazing. They don't need salt, pepper, or anything at all. So very happy with that. And now I'm going to try that chicken. Going for a first bite of this beautiful chicken, covered in Madeira wine sauce and sauteed garlic and mushrooms on it. All right, let's see how this one tastes. The potatoes were great, so I can imagine how good the chicken's gonna be. That chicken Madeira, flat out, 2 thumbs up. It has so much flavor. I'm telling you, there is more cheese on the chicken here than I've ever had on a chicken parmigiana anywhere. Very, very delicious. I love that Madeira wine sauce. And now I'm gonna try me a little asparagus to top it off. But so far, I am loving this dish. Oh yeah, that asparagus is delicious also. So this is like the perfect dish. I completely see why this is Google's #1 recommendation. We completely agree. Absolutely amazing. Now let's see what Landon and Brea think of their dishes. Because so far, I am very, very happy. So Maria said she really enjoyed the flavor and the texture of her nachos, so they were very good. However, the only drawback is there was more tuna in there. So had lots of edamame, lots of sauce, lots of chips, but more tuna would be necessary. So she gave it 1.5 thumbs up, but for flavors, it's very good. Just add more tuna and then 2 thumbs all the way. So Landon is really loving his Korean fried chicken also. He said it's very good. Now he said, would you get it again? Probably not. He would try something else because it's such a huge menu. But he didn't give it a solid 1.5 thumbs up. He said the only complaint on there, maybe be a little more crispy, but he really enjoys the sauce. It's got some nice spice. So probably too hot for me. If he's saying it's spicy, it's got to be spicy. So I'll take his word for it. But try this. All these little dishes are so good. But I am definitely recommended the chicken Madeira. That is the best. And this brown bread, because it is delicious, sweet, and that butter is amazing too. So now we're gonna finish our meals. I'll let you know what we think about it on the way out. So Landon and Ray are both clean plate club. I was not. So I got me a little to-go bag right here, and Ray just said something really crazy I would have never noticed. So we are literally across the street from Disneyland. So you tell me. She says she sees hidden Mickeys. Do you see them right there also? I know I do. So yeah, I would have never noticed that. We're getting ready to walk out. So that was a great find, and that is hilarious. So come to Cheesecake Factory, go across the street to Disneyland, and have a great time. We just finished our meals here at the Cheesecake Factory. I have to show you this beautiful restaurant. There is so much amazing architecture in here, lighting and everything else, and it is gigantic. Not only do they have inside seating, they also have an outside seating area. So if you want to sit out here and hear the screams and chills from Disneyland, you can do that as well, right here on Catella Avenue. Very crazy. So we highly recommend coming here. Now we're gonna go out front and give you our final review. So we just finished our incredible meals here at the Cheesecake Factory. And I have to say, it was so convenient. We come down to the Garden Walk quite often for different events, different pop-ups, especially for Eulogy Collective that we're here for tonight. So we went in there, had a great meal, so much food, great prices. Our service was amazing. Our server was so great, kept bringing us bread and drinks. We really enjoyed it, and my Madeira chicken was mind-blowing. I would get that again in a heartbeat. From the chicken, potatoes, asparagus, it was all so good. So what do you think of your nachos?
I'm gonna give my ahi tuna nachos 1.5 thumbs. They were good, and ahi tuna nachos are like one of my favorites. I would try something different next time.
And Landon loved his Korean fried chicken, so we all had a great meal. We are all full, and now we're ready to get scared. So thank you for coming with us.
Thrills,
chills, and good meals. Have a great night down here at the Garden Walk.